What if I told you that a single credit card could completely change the way people spend money, invest money, and even think about money? Not just another plastic card in your wallet, but a financial tool designed for the modern digital investor. Recently, the financial world started talking about something new: a premium credit card connected directly to an investing platform used by millions of people. It's called the Robinhood Platinum Card, and in a very short time, it has captured the attention of investors, financial analysts, and everyday consumers. But why? Why would a trading app suddenly launch a premium credit card? And more importantly, is it actually worth it? Today we're going to break everything down. What the Robinhood Platinum Card really is, why it was created, what benefits it offers, and whether it could change the future of personal finance. Let's start with something simple. For decades, credit cards have followed a very predictable formula. You spend money, and in return, you earn rewards. Sometimes cash back, sometimes travel points, sometimes miles for flights and hotels. These reward systems became extremely popular because they turned everyday spending into small financial benefits. Buy groceries, earn points, pay for fuel, earn cash back, book flights, earn travel miles. It's a system that millions of people use every single day. But here's the interesting part. Most credit cards treat spending and investing as completely separate worlds. You spend money in one place, you invest money somewhere else. Two different systems, two different platforms, two different financial habits. But what if those two worlds could be connected? That's exactly the idea behind the Robinhood Platinum Card. The company behind the platform, Robinhood, became famous for making stock market investing simple. Before apps like Robinhood existed, investing often felt complicated and expensive. Traditional brokerage firms charged high fees. Trading platforms looked confusing, and many beginners felt intimidated by the entire system. Robinhood changed that. They introduced commission-free trading, a simple mobile app, and a clean interface that made investing accessible to everyday people. Suddenly, millions of young investors entered the market. People who had never bought stocks before were now building portfolios directly from their phones. This shift was massive, and now Robinhood wants to expand beyond investing. They want to become a complete financial ecosystem, not just a trading app, but a place where people manage their entire financial life, spending, saving, and investing, all connected together, and the Robinhood Platinum Card is part of that vision. The idea is simple, but powerful. Imagine using your credit card for daily purchases, buying groceries, paying for transportation, shopping online, booking flights. Now imagine that the rewards from those purchases could potentially flow directly into your investments. Instead of just collecting points, you could be building wealth. Every swipe of the card becomes a small step toward long-term financial growth. It's a concept that fits perfectly with modern financial thinking, because the biggest challenge many people face isn't earning money. It's building the habit of investing consistently. Most people wait for extra money before investing, but the truth is that extra money rarely appears. Expenses always come first. But if investing becomes automatic, connected to everyday spending, the entire system changes. Small amounts start compounding over time. And compounding is one of the most powerful forces in finance. A few dollars invested regularly can grow significantly over years and decades. That's why financial experts often say the most important factor in investing is not timing the market. It's time in the market. Now let's talk about something else that makes this card interesting: the world of premium credit cards. Premium cards are designed for people who want more than basic rewards. These cards often include luxury perks, travel benefits, airport lounge access, purchase protections, insurance coverage, and higher cashback percentages. But these benefits usually come at a cost. Many premium cards charge annual fees that can reach hundreds of dollars, sometimes even more. Companies justify those fees by offering valuable perks. Frequent travelers might receive airport lounge access. Business professionals might benefit from travel insurance and concierge services. And high spenders might earn thousands of dollars in rewards every year. The Robinhood Platinum Card appears to be targeting this premium market, which means it is entering a highly competitive space. Financial giants have dominated this industry for decades. Banks have built entire reward systems designed to keep customers loyal, and breaking into that market is not easy. But Robinhood has one powerful advantage: technology. Their platform was built for the digital generation.